Halo semuanya, kali ini kita akan membahas film yang berjudul Horizon Line. Sebelum kita mulai, kita ingatkan kalau video ini mengandung full spoiler. Setelah setahun merantau, Sarah kembali pulang ke Mauritius untuk menghadiri pesta pernikahan temannya.
No. My wedding, my rules. No. I'm getting married tomorrow!
Ketika sedang menikmati koktail di pantai,
Oh my god. Do not turn around.
Sarah tak sengaja bertemu mantan kekasihnya, Jackson.
Are you serious?
Pada malamnya, Sarah kembali bertemu Jackson di sebuah pesta.
Hey,
Hey,
I'm actually glad I'm seeing you. I didn't want it to be awkward this weekend at the wedding.
no. Why would it be?
Jackson mulai merasa tidak nyaman dan ia memilih untuk pulang.
Hey, wait up.
Namun, Sarah ikut menyusul untuk mengantarkan pria tersebut.
I know.
Keduanya minum alkohol di toko selam milik Jackson.
Jackson.
It's the wrong way around, dumbass. I'll try this the right way around.
No, it's
Mereka berdua kembali bersenang-senang setelah sekian lama berpisah.
What do you want, Sarah?
nothing. I missed you.
Saat mulai mabuk, mereka mulai memperdebatkan alasan mereka putus di masa
So
lalu.
much. You could have offered to come with me. It's a two-way
I'm
street.
choking some high rise in London. Forget that. This isn't going anywhere.
Let's promise we're not going to make things awkward at the wedding tomorrow.
You know, it's probably better if we just don't talk then.
That's a great idea.
Brilliant.
Perfect.
Sweet.
Mereka sangat keras kepala dan sama-sama tidak mau disalahkan.
Stop talking.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Karena mabuk berat, akhirnya mereka berdua berciuman. Keesokan paginya, Sarah terbangun dan ia langsung menyesali perbuatannya. Wanita itu diam-diam pergi meninggalkan Jackson.
Hi, bride-to-be.
We've been waiting for you for half an hour.
I'm really sorry.
You realize this is the only ferry to Rodrigue today, right?
Shit!
Sarah menelepon pilot kenalannya untuk membawanya terbang menghadiri acara pesta pernikahan temannya.
It's good to see you too, Freddie One. Oh, Freddie.
Setelah sekian lama, Sarah sangat senang bisa bertemu dengan Freddie. Tanpa diduga, Sarah kembali bertemu dengan Jackson. Ternyata, Jackson juga berangkat dengan pesawat yang sama.
So, put on your headset.
After the wedding, you want to go check out that reef outside Rodrigues?
Sure, man.
You should also go to the place that we used to take.
Jackson dan Sarah merasa canggung karena kejadian di malam sebelumnya. Saat terbang menuju Pulau Rodrigues,
Sarah, come on up here and sit with me in the co-pilot seat. For old time's sake. So, you ready to give it a go?
It's just like Freddie,
There's nothing you can do that I can't correct. Look, make sure that the altimeter stays below 20,000 feet.
altitude sickness. Yeah, I remember.
Freddie menawarkan Sarah untuk menerbangkan pesawat itu,
Before she starts to veer off.
Freddie,
Grab that yoke. And
namun Sarah menolak.
you okay? Ready? Where are your pills?
honey, water.
Okay, where?
Tiba-tiba, kondisi kesehatan Freddie memburuk dan pesawat mulai hilang kendali.
Jackson! He's having a heart attack. He needs water for his men. Jackson, hurry!
Sarah langsung mengambil alih kendali pesawat dan beruntungnya mereka berhasil selamat dari situasi itu.
Help, do CPR, do something.
There's no pulse. Come on. Come on!
Mereka mencoba memberi nafas buatan, namun Freddie sama sekali tidak merespon.
Oh,
fly this plane?
Akhirnya, Sarah terpaksa menerbangkan pesawat dengan skill seadanya.
Is everything still working?
Jackson, the GPS is broken. Hello, can anyone hear me? Please come in. This is an emergency. We have no pilot. Autopilot. Freddie should have programmed it to fly us to Rodriguez. And we can worry about the landing when we get there. Wait, no. God, Jackson, what if the autopilot's broken?
So we have no pilot, no autopilot, no GPS. Which direction were we heading in before?
West. We were heading west.
Okay.
So we just need to turn 90 degrees.
Could take us even further out to sea.
Oh shit, you're right. So
Setelah memperhitungkan posisi pesawat, keduanya mengubah rute penerbangan mereka.
I'm heading south now. Holy shit, look at that.
Namun sayangnya, awan gelap mulai muncul dan terdengar suara dari radio.
227, come in.
We're here. Can you hear me?
227, we can't hear you. Who am I speaking to?
This is Sarah Johnson and Jackson Davison. There's a storm in front of us. Our pilot is dead. We don't know where we're going. We could really use your help.
Untungnya, Samuel bersedia membantu mereka.
How much fuel do you have?
We have about 35% left in the main tank.
Please try to give me some details about your location.
We've turned around. We're about 55 minutes from where we took off. Maybe you can
Sarah meminta Samuel untuk memeriksa posisi badai untuk memastikan posisi keberadaan mereka.
You will run the risk of running out of fuel.
Samuel menyarankan mereka untuk terbang ke arah barat, melewati badai tersebut karena pesawat mereka kekurangan bahan bakar.
Did you just say to turn west into the storm?
Yes, west is your quickest route to reach land. Not why. The aircraft level.
Namun sayangnya, sinyal radio mereka tiba-tiba terputus.
West?
That's what he said.
Sarah pergi ke arah barat sesuai dengan apa yang disarankan Samuel.
I think you should be sitting in the pilot seat.
Really?
Yeah. You can do this.
This is insane. We are not flying through this.
Sarah, what are you doing?
Sarah berusaha membawa pesawat untuk keluar dari badai itu. Hingga pada akhirnya, mereka lolos dari badai tersebut. Namun, Sarah mulai kehilangan kesadaran karena pesawat telah melewati batas ketinggian.
Sarah, wake up!
Saat pesawat terjatuh, Sarah mulai sadar dan akhirnya mereka berhasil mengendalikan pesawat tersebut.
Where are we heading? Which direction are we going?
I don't know. The compass is smashed.
That's just great.
I'll be right back. Hold on. I think I remember how to make a compass.
Jackson mencoba untuk membuat kompas buatan untuk memeriksa lokasi mereka.
Shit.
Did you see it?
That's north.
That's west.
Yeah.
Setelah melewati semua rintangan, akhirnya mereka berhasil lolos dari badai itu.
Samuel, do you copy? Samuel.
Namun sayangnya, koneksi radio mereka kembali terputus.
The fuel, 5%? Jackson, it was at 35 before the storm.
Tak lama kemudian, mereka menyadari bahwa bahan bakar sudah tipis.
Fuel gauges go down. That's... shit.
There's gotta be a leak somewhere. I'm gonna have to go outside.
Jackson pergi keluar untuk memeriksa tangki bahan bakar pesawat tersebut.
There. Better? Can you slow us down?
Dengan hati-hati, Jackson berusaha mendekati tangki bahan bakar. Pria itu berjuang sekuat tenaga untuk menutup kebocoran bahan bakar.
Jackson, it's working. It's leveling out.
Namun sayangnya, Jackson terjatuh.
Okay? Put your foot on the wheel. Jackson! Jackson, take my hand. Look at me. You can do it. Okay. Ready?
Beruntungnya, pria itu berhasil naik ke pesawat dengan bantuan dari Sarah.
What's that? What happened? Oh my God!
Sarah mencoba untuk mengobati luka Jackson.
You're fine.
What does the gauge say?
Pengukur bahan bakar sudah kembali normal, namun mereka harus mengurangi bobot pesawat demi menghemat bahan bakar.
That do anything?
Well, it's holding. Did you clear everything?
Bye, Freddy.
Karena tidak punya pilihan lain, mereka terpaksa membuang jasad Freddy dari pesawatnya.
It was the right thing to do.
Saat akan membuang kotak miras,
It's Solomon's rocket fuel, right? It's ethanol.
Jackson memiliki ide untuk menggunakannya sebagai bahan bakar.
Fuel valve is outside. It's on top of the wing.
Namun sayangnya, tangki bahan bakar berada di luar.
No!
It'll give us time, Sarah.
Couldn't I do it?
No,
I actually think it might be.
Sarah.
Kali ini, giliran Sarah yang keluar untuk mengisi bahan bakar.
You got this, Sarah.
No! Damn it! I need another bottle, quick!
Jackson membantu memberikan botol alkohol kepada Sarah.
Another one!
Saat membantu Sarah, Jackson melihat ada sebuah pulau kecil.
Sarah, there's an island.
Give me another bottle! I can't hold on much more!
We only got one more to go after that.
Sayangnya, Jackson memecahkan botol alkohol yang terakhir.
That's it, Sarah. We're out of bottles. Get back in.
Beruntungnya, Sarah berhasil masuk ke pesawat.
We're running on rum.
Akhirnya, mereka menikmati terbang dengan bahan bakar miras.
Sarah, I think I saw an island.
What?
It was tiny, but I think it was enough to land on.
I think we should turn around. I trust you.
We're turning around and flying east. We're retracing our path. I hope you can hear this.
Sarah mulai membawa pesawat menuju pulau yang ditemukan Jackson.
That's 5 minutes. I don't see anything.
Mereka mulai khawatir karena tidak pernah menemukan pulau itu. Namun di saat yang sama, bahan bakar pesawat mulai habis.
How long do you think we can glide for? Jackson, I'm so sorry.
For what?
If I hadn't left, we would never be here. We'd never...
Akhirnya, pasangan mantan yang keras kepala itu mulai saling memaafkan.
Holy shit.
Tiba-tiba, mereka menemukan sebuah pulau dari kejauhan. Sarah mulai bermanuver menuju ke pulau tersebut.
Just keep us as high as you can.
Namun sayangnya, pesawat mulai tidak berfungsi
Just lift us at the last moment.
I'm trying!
dan akhirnya mereka mendarat dengan keras di laut. Pesawat langsung tenggelam ke dasar laut yang dangkal. Sarah berusaha membuka pintu dan berhasil keluar. Namun, Ia tidak melihat Jackson. Sarah kembali menyelam untuk mencari pria itu. Ternyata, Jackson terjebak di sayap pesawat. Akhirnya, Sarah berhasil mengeluarkan Jackson tepat sebelum pesawat tenggelam ke dasar laut. Sarah tiba di pulau bersama Jackson yang masih pingsan. Akhirnya, Jackson mulai siuman dari pingsannya. Mereka akhirnya sadar bahwa mereka tidak mendarat di pulau, melainkan di perairan dangkal yang sedang surut.
Jackson, wake up. The water's coming in.
It's just a sandbar. It'll disappear with the tide.
Mereka berdua kembali mengapung setelah laut mulai pasang.
I'm so tired.
I know. What are we gonna do? Jackson, we're gonna die out here.
I want you to take the life vest.
Look, whatever happens, I am with you.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Kemudian, sebuah kapal nelayan datang mendekati mereka. Beruntungnya, kedua pasangan itu selamat tanpa ada korban jiwa.
No more goodbyes.
No more goodbyes.
Dan film pun selesai. Baiklah teman-teman, segitu dulu review film kita kali ini. Saya tunggu tanggapan kalian di kolom komentar ya. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe channel kita. Terima kasih.